Potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is stored energy that depends upon the relative position of various parts of the system. There are three types of potential energy: elastic potential energy, gravitational potential energy, and chemical potential energy. The elastic potential energy. Elastic energy is the mechanical potential energy stored in the configuration of a material or physical system as it is subjected to elastic deformation by work performed upon it. Elastic energy occurs when objects are impermanently compressed, stretched, or generally deformed in any manner. An example of a elastic potential energy is a rubber band being stretched. The gravitational potential energy. Gravitational energy or gravitational potential energy is the potential energy a massive object has in relation to another massive object due to gravity. It is the potential energy associated with the gravitational field which is released when the objects fall towards each other. An example of a gravitational potential energy is a book standing. The chemical potential energy. Chemical potential energy is the energy stored in the chemical bonds of a substance. The various chemicals that make up gasoline contains a large amount of chemical potential energy that is released when the gasoline is burned in a controlled way in the engine of the car. An example of a chemical potential energy is a Duracell battery. The kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is a form of energy that an object or particle has by reason of its motion. If work, which transfers energy, is done on an object by applying a net of force, the object speeds up and thereby gains kinetic energy. An example of a kinetic energy is a ball being kicked through the air.